Here I have Honor 70 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see Honor logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding on the volume up, just like this. So in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the last option, safe mode, and after that device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is to prove that we're in a safe mode right now. So when you're done using safe mode and you want to quit it, all you need to do is to just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.